Good morning, my loves. Igama lam ndinguThulisile Kolweni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. And if you are my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me. Look at Ilalaga. That sign is stunning. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This was Saturday, so the day after I had Qumbu basically, and I was traveling back to Johannesburg. Unfortunately, I wasn't there when they were drinking the alcohol or the umqombothi basically, and I was not gonna drive, but I was taking the car out here. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know this vlog, we are traveling, well, I am traveling back to Johannesburg. So we woke up in the morning. I saw the beautiful sunrise, almost the sunset. I saw the beautiful sunrise, and after that my husband was getting ready. I got ready, my husband got ready as well. We then drove because I wanted to catch the first taxi, because I took a taxi because I wanted to get here early and travel the whole day, because buses here around 7 or between 5 and 7 and 8 p.m. in the evening. So I didn't want to travel in the evening. I wanted to travel the whole day, get here, spend the whole of Sunday resting and refreshing. And yeah, that's what I did. I was just taking out the car, me double checking if the car is on manual and if the handbrake is up, and off we go. This was now us, my husband getting out, and we were not done with painting. As you can see, the roof is still not painted. I am still waiting for someone who can take a picture for us, and then I can show you guys. Otherwise, we will be traveling, both of us, in June or July to the Eastern Cape for Umgidi that Umalume is having. So yeah, this was us traveling. This is the beautiful view. If you've watched, I'll put a channel somewhere here. It is Princess Daweti. This is the view she was at in her shoot and in her long form video that she posted on YouTube. This is the scenery she was at. This is Sulenka Malala Luibonayo Pana. So yeah, we are like, I think 15 if not 10 minutes away from Esulenkama, like the tar road, because we are approaching the tar road. This is Bedlela AC, if you guys can see probably, but you probably wouldn't, with a grey rooftop. That's the hospital, Esulenkama Hospital. Well, it's not really the hospital, it's I think the houses people that work there stay at. And just like that, specific Ilewita Road. Like I said, I think we are 10 or 15 minutes away from the tar road. So traveled, and I got into a taxi. Qumbu, and then my husband Wajika, and there was so much traffic with toll gates. I think that weekend a lot of people from Durban, Eastern Cape, on that side, they were coming back, and this was one of the toll gates. And mind you, I didn't have that privilege of having my husband who had an e-tag. I got home, like I said, during the evening, and the next day we didn't have groceries here. I ordered something or some things on the Pick and Pay app ASAP, and some groceries that were gonna last me until my husband comes back, or until we are both paid again. So I got some few grocery items, and yeah, it was a short trip. I love that I was able to travel early in the morning, because I was able to catch the first taxi. I think it was before 7, yeah, or maybe 7:15. I can't really remember, but yeah, and then I tied it up, and the rest is history. The next day, which was the 6th, I then went back to work. Yeah, I opened so early, so early, but yeah, my loves, that is the travel vlog from Eastern Cape to Johannesburg. I hope you really did enjoy this vlog. That is very short and sweet, something that I haven't done, but thank you so much for watching. Good afternoon, my loves. I am back in Johannesburg. As you guys saw that I traveled yesterday, so I got around probably 6:30 in Gauteng, and then I got home around just after 7, and yeah, I just rested the whole night. I slept so late though. I probably was watching a lot of like YouTube and stuff because it's lali living in a network, so I struggle with that. I want to put ice here, but yeah, I'm back. I am back like umqolo. I have a lot of editing to do and transferring content from SD card to my phone so that I can edit, because I use my phone to edit. This year we're manifesting a car and a MacBook Pro, okay? That's what we're manifesting. But most importantly, a new that's gonna be able to afford me all those things that I just mentioned, because I can't let me close this vlog here for the traveling back to Johannesburg. I just as you saw, I was packing groceries. I just ordered on Pick and Pay ASAP because yeah, can't believe that I'm working tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday the 6th of January 2025. I am working. I cannot believe this is my life. I'm so tired. But yeah, February for Valentine's Day, I think I want to give myself a massage. I'm going back to the guy that did my massage, and I want to do a Thai massage so that I can ease into the year basically. So yeah, that's what's going on. Thank you so much for watching until this far, and I shall see you in my next video.